My lips are so dry, so I'm about to do a lip scrub because my chapstick is not to be seen anywhere. Okay. Ow! Okay. I don't know, I could be barking, but it's making me nervous. Hello, so what is up? So today I'm gonna be filming a Get Ready With Me, and okay, I haven't filmed it in a while, but I also haven't filmed a lot of things in a while, period. A lot of you guys have been wondering about my mental health sitch at the moment. You know, I should film me talking about it. So I wanted to do that, but like not make it too serious. So that's why I'm making Get Ready With Me. But yeah, I got a new lens and it's really big and it's like very close to my face. And I'm a little intimidated. I also look really bad right now. Like I just look terrible. My brows don't look good either. What is this? Didn't sign up for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to prime. I haven't done makeup in a long time. Or I haven't been doing it as frequently as I usually do just because I've been... So, I don't really know how to do makeup anymore. JK, I'm just messing. Ow. Pointy. My skin is super, super dry right now because, like, you know, cold weather. Am I right? I don't know why it's so cold. I also don't know why my skin burns, but I guess we don't know the answers to everything. My skin feels gross. Like, it's so dry and flaky and burning and bumpy on my forehead. Remember when I said my skin was doing good? Well, guess what? I shouldn't have said that because my skin just... She said no. I shouldn't have told her she was cute. I just don't know why my skin burns. I don't know why I'm getting texts either because it's kind of weird how people want to talk to me all of a sudden. People talk to me sometimes. I thought I'm just messing. I'm just bugging. Oh my god, I don't know why my skin burns, but guess what? I'm just ignoring it completely because I want to put on makeup right now. And this is not going to stop me. This obstacle, I'm jumping over it. Or I'm knocking it out. I'll be like, I feel like I got a sunburn. But I didn't. Haven't been outside. So that couldn't have happened. Unless the sun rays go through my bedroom wall. Also, I cannot believe I let people bully me into changing how I do my eyebrows. Because, I mean, they don't look good right now. So don't use this as an excuse to hate on me. But anyways, like I used to do my brows in a way that I liked. And then I got hated on all the time for it and I got so nervous, so I changed my brows subconsciously. That made me super upset because my brain subconsciously didn't want any problems. So I changed the way I did them and I hated them. Oh, I forgot. I bought a new primer and I didn't even use it. My retail therapy isn't even... Ow, my nose burns too. I just breathed that in my nose and it hurts. Or burns. This is also a cute little moment. I love it. I also had headbands, but I don't know where they are. And I'm sad because I look like this. Actually, I'm gonna go find them. Let's see if I can find them. I am beyond upset. I don't know where they went. I cannot believe I spent $5 on them. I can't find them. Like, I just cannot believe that God hates me because he obviously does if he doesn't want me to find my headbands. I don't know where they are and I'm so upset because I look cracky. Ew. Okay, so basically I'm gonna make my own headband. Oh, my head is too big for this. And I could put it up in a ponytail, but then I won't. Okay, I'm using these tights, but I just have one question. Like, why is this happening to me? I don't know! Anyways, I'm gonna just... Aww, cute. See, this wouldn't have happened if I just would have... My brows! Why am I gonna start crying? I don't know why I'm about to cry right now. What is going on? I love how I almost started crying. I said no. Okay, so I'm gonna use this new Hourglass foundation. Did I say Hourglass? I don't know. Jackie Aina, she talked about this. I'm pretty sure this is the foundation that she wore to the event. I didn't dampen this. Well, anyway, what I was saying was she wore it and she said it was good, even without primer, so I was like, I use full primer, so it must be good. Also really want to try the Laura Mercier foundation, but I have a problem with spending money when I'm sad, and I'm trying to not do that because I spend too much money for no reason. So anyways, might try that. We'll see how sad I am tonight, and maybe I'll buy it then. This actually looks, wow. Okay, wait, I haven't used any foundation that's not the Fenty one in a really long time. So this is odd. I didn't realize it would be full coverage like this because the Fenty one isn't. Ooh. I look crazy. You can't tell me I don't look crazy right now. Don't spare my feelings, I know. So this is supposed to be where I'm talking about my mental health. So basically I started going to therapy about 3 weeks ago, and I'm pretty sure that's the last time I posted, which is very sad. I'm very sorry for letting you guys down. I've been trying to film, and I have filmed a lot. Anyways, I'll get to this. But anyway, so I started going to therapy. I've been 3 times. But in those 3 times, like, some things have happened. So basically, I went the first time, and it was mainly just introducing me to therapy and like her getting to know me or whatever. She was like, well, for sure you have anxiety, and I was like, that is not a surprise at all to me. I haven't ever been diagnosed with anything because I never wanted to self-diagnose myself. Didn't really think anything was wrong necessarily, just because she doesn't know much about mental health and mental illnesses and all that. So she just never wanted me to go to like a psychiatrist or anything. The second time I went, which was last week, yes, she told me that I have depression, and I was like, yes, we knew this. I couldn't ever really put a name on it or really explain why I was feeling the way I was because I didn't know for sure. I felt like this for a really long time, even sometimes in middle school and in elementary school. Other than that, not much has really happened with therapy. I've only gone 3 times, so it's not gonna make a huge change really fast. Today I made a list of things I need to do because it's also very hard for me to get motivated to do things. This is the ugliest. Yes, I think this is it. It's really hard for me to get in a good mood, and there are some days where I randomly get in a good mood, and then I get really motivated and I do a bunch of things, and then it just goes away really suddenly, and the good moods only last like a day or 2. Today I made a list of things to do, and she told me to check off like small things that I've done, so hopefully that'll get me like more motivated to do things. And so far it's working. I look like this, so obviously we're getting somewhere. Right now I'm okay, obviously, because I'm filming. And I really hate filming when I'm not in a good mindset, because it just makes me feel worse. Like, it makes me feel a lot more discouraged when I can't like force myself to be in a good mood, because it's just like not how it works. But yeah, I announced I announced my diagnosis on Twitter. Like, I talked about it on Twitter a little bit, just because I really feel bad complaining about it, and I don't want to start doing that. That's what therapy is for. Not really complaining, but explaining like how I feel and stuff. But I want to be very open with you guys, but I don't want it to seem like I'm radiating my bad energies to you guys. I don't know about like medication and stuff yet. I want to look into it, so we'll see how that goes. That's kind of where I'm at right now. Also, the Milk makeup powder is so balmy. I know I've talked about this. Actually, have I? If I haven't, I'm talking about it now. I know I talked about it on Twitter, because I talk about everything on Twitter. Remember when everybody used the Laura Mercier? Yeah, I remember that too. Me and you both, sis. So far, okay. So far, I like this foundation. I think I can take this off now, but I honestly don't really want to, so I'm not going to. Okay, so for bronzer, I've been using the Kylie bronzer. This is the one in khaki. I don't really like that name, but I guess I have to deal with it. And I like her lip liners a lot because I like the formula and I like the colors. There's a lot of colors, a lot of shades. I said colors. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm sorry. I really am confused as to where I stand also, because I'm like not a beauty guru, but I'm also not like a lifestyle guru YouTuber. Like, I don't think I really fit in any category. Like, I feel like most of my videos don't revolve around makeup. I guess they do, but I guess they don't. Like, I don't know who I am. I guess I'm a beauty guru. The beauty guru mold is just so odd to me. Like, it's very, I don't know. I just don't feel like I fit in it, because they're very serious. Most beauty gurus are very, very, I'm like, chill. Like, I'm just like, chill. Like, calm down. Ain't that deep. I'm not serious. But I am serious about makeup. Like, it's literally my favorite thing in the entire world. And I feel like I'm good at it, but I don't think I'm a beauty guru, but I guess I am. I don't know. Like, the category I fit in is idiot. Wouldn't be surprised. I used to be really like excited about palettes and stuff, but now I'm just more excited about blushes and bronzers. I feel like it's like such an adult thing. When there would be like blushes launched, I'd be like, oh, boring, pass. But like now it's so much fun. Like, I love, they're very important steps. Oh, this brush smells so bad. Why does brush stink? Ooh, I never clean these and they smell so bad. Maybe that's why my skin is like burning all the time. It smells really bad. Ew, it smells sweaty. See, a beauty guru would never do that. They would never do that. I haven't done makeup in so long. Who let me not do that? Anyways, 7 rings on. Seven rings, just hit the spot. Also, I'm wearing so much blush. Nobody can stop me either. Let me just curl my little lashes and do my little mascara routine, and then I will put on my lashes. Also, look at my little dinosaur. Do you see him? He's so cute. I don't remember what I named him, but I named him something white, like Ted or like Mark or something. Look. Are you looking? Did you see that? Stunning work on my part. I'm gonna use these discontinued lashes because I really want you guys to yell at me. I kind of want to just like rip all my skin off. I'm like shedding like a snake. I do not know what is going on. About to look good. I actually feel really ugly right now, if I'm being honest. I'm super sorry. I can't fake confidence right now. I straightened my hair and I ate some pizza and I just wanted to film the outro. So yeah, I'm gonna go, but thank you guys for watching. I hope it helped some people, or maybe it was just informative, or maybe it was just fun to watch. I do not know. Anyways, whatever the case, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!